Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about the problems on properties of determinants. In this session, we will continue the discussion of problems on properties of determinants. Problem number 5. Prove that determinant of b plus c, q plus r, y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y, that will be equal to 2 into determinant of a, p, x, b, q, y, c, r, z. Solution. So, LHS is equal to determinant of b plus c, q plus r, y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. So, applying R1 by R1 plus R2 plus R3, that means the change is taking place in R1. That will be equal to, if you add R1 plus R2 plus R3, b plus b to b, a plus a to a, c plus c to c, that is 2a plus 2b plus 2c. Similarly, q plus q to q, p plus p to p, r plus r to r, that is 2p plus 2q plus 2r, 2p plus 2q plus 2r. Similarly, here y plus y to y, x plus x to x, z plus z to z, that is 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Remaining rows we write as it is. C plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. So, in the first row, in the first element, we can take 2 common. Similarly, in the second element, 2 we can take common, and the third element also you can take 2 common. So, this determinant becomes, that will be equal to determinant of two into a plus b plus c. Here also you can take 2 common, you will get 2 into p plus q plus r. Here also you can take 2 common, you will have x plus y plus z. Remaining elements c plus a, r plus p and z plus x. Next row a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. So now in the first row, you can take 2 outside the determinant because 2 is present in all the elements of first row. So that will be equal to 2 into determinant of a plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. Finally, our aim is to show that the given determinant will be equal to 2 times determinant of a, p, x, b, q, y, c, r, z. So here 2 should be there, here already 2 is there. So here applying R1 as R1 minus R3. So this will be equal to 2 into determinant of, now R1 is replacing by R1 minus R3, that is a plus b plus c minus a plus b means the remaining term will be only c. Here also p plus q plus r minus p plus q means the remaining element will be r. Similarly, here x plus y plus z minus of x plus y. So the remaining element we get is z. So c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. So applying R2 by R2 minus R1, R2 by R2 minus R1, because if you apply this property you will get c plus a minus c, r plus p minus r, z plus x minus z. So we have 2 into determinant of first row remains as it is. Second row c plus a minus c means the remaining element will be a. R plus p minus r means the remaining element will be p. Z plus x minus z means the remaining element will be x, and the third row remains as it is. A plus b, p plus q, x plus y. Now our aim is to show the final answer as 2 into determinant of apx, bqy, crz. So already crz is there and apx is also there. So we have to eliminate one term from the row 3. So applying R3 by R3 minus R2. So we will get 2 into determinant of first row remains as it is crz and the second row also remains as it is APX, and the third row is A plus B minus A. So A will get cancelled. You will have B. P plus Q minus P. So P and P will get cancelled. You will have Q. X plus Y minus X means X and X will get cancelled. You will get Y. Now, here the arrangement of the rows are different from what we have got. So to get the required answer, what we have to do is we have to interchange R1 and R2. R1 and R2. So we know that if we interchange any two rows or columns, then the value of the determinant changes by sign. So this will be equal to minus 2 into determinant of A, P, X, C, R, Z, B, Q, Y. So in brackets we will write R1 interchanging R2. Here B has to go to the second row and C has to come to the third row. So once again we will interchange R2 and R3. That is R2 and R3 should be interchanged. So that will be equal to, once again the value of the determinant changes by sign, that is minus 2 into determinant of A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. So minus into minus plus, that is 2 times determinant of A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. So that will be equal to RHS. So next problem, prove that determinant of 0, A minus B minus A, 0 minus C, B, C, 0 will be equal to 0. It is slightly a different problem. Let delta equals determinant of 0, A minus B minus A, 0 minus C, B, C, 0. This is the given problem. So now I take minus 1 common from the first row. So delta equals minus determinant of 0 minus A, B minus A, 0 minus C, B, C, 0. That is taking minus 1 common from R1. In the next step, taking minus 1 common from R2. So delta equals minus of minus 1 into determinant of 0 minus A, B, A, 0, C, B, C, 0. Taking minus 1 common from R3. So delta equals, here minus into minus plus, we are also taking minus 1 common. So minus 1 into plus 1 into determinant of 0 minus A, B, A, 0, C minus B minus C 0. So, interchanging all the rows and columns. So, delta equals minus determinant of the first row can be written as first column. Second row can be written as second column. Third row can be written as third column. If you observe the delta, the whole determinant is nothing but delta. We call this as 1. That is delta equals minus delta. This is from 1. So, delta plus delta, that is 2 delta, will be equal to 0 and delta is equal to 0. Hence, the result. Next problem. Prove that determinant of minus a square AB AC BA minus B square BC CA CB minus C square will be equal to 4A square B square C square. So, LHS is equal to determinant of minus A square AB AC BA minus B square BC CA CB minus C square. Our final aim is to show that the given determinant will be equal to 4A square B square C square. If you observe the first row, here A is common in the first row. So, we can take A from the first row and B from the second row and C from the third row. Taking out A comma B comma C from R1 comma R2 comma R3 irrespectively. So, this will be equal to A into B into C, determinant of minus A, B, C. Here A minus B, C. In the third row, A, B minus C. So, that will be equal to, see, next step is, if you observe the column wise, here A is common in the first column, B is common in the second column and C is common in the third column. So, taking out A comma B comma C from C1, C2, C3 respectively. So, that will be equal to ABC into, in the first column I take A common, in the second column I take B common, in the third column I take C common, to determinant of minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1. So, 1, 1 minus 1. R1 by R1 plus R2. That will be equal to, this ABC into ABC is A square B square C square into determinant of minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1. So here expanding along R1, that will be equal to A square B square C square into 0 into minus 0 into plus 2 into, so 2 lies in the first row and third column. So eliminating the first row and third column, we take the determinant of the remaining elements, that is determinant of 1 minus 1 1 1. So that will be equal to A square B square C square into 0 into 0 0 0. So 2 into 1 into 1 1 minus of 1 into minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to A square B square C square into 2 into 2. That will be equal to 4 into A square B square C square, which is equal to RHS. Okay, thank you.